Hello everyone, this is Chavy, and I just want to show you my RV that I got. This is a 1983 Chevy Dorado. It's 25 feet long, and that's what it is. Anyway, the outside is not so bad, even though I will be redoing the outside also. But right now, my more important things are the inside, leakage and stuff like that. So I wanted to show you this video. Hopefully the next time I do a video, I'm gonna go inside now. I will be doing it with my new camera, and we'll be able to have a little more detail. Then go up, and here we are. First thing you see, of course, will be a sofa, which is not what I'm gonna have. I will have a sofa, but I'm gonna have a smaller one. This one is going to be gone. It's got the water tanks, 20 gallons, and I'm not sure what the other thing on the, it could be propane, it could be the compressor. I have no idea. But anyway, one or the other. That orange carpet is going as fast as I can. I don't like orange. Never liked it even when it was very, very popular. The floors are in a really bad shape. There's a water leak right here as I come in, see? So I need to figure out where all of this is coming from. I check in the cabinets and I couldn't see anything, but you never know. Okay, here's the cut pit. And those chairs, I'm either gonna replace them. I'm hoping I don't. I'll probably reupholster them, something really nice. And those are things that I can do, so that's gonna save me a lot of money. There's a lot of things I can do in here. Some carpeting, I can do that. I can do a lot. And the only thing probably that I cannot do or won't do is the electrical, because I want to make sure it's done right and, whatever. But plumbing, I will do plumbing. I'm not a plumber, but I will do plumbing. Anyway, and then above of it, as you can tell, on top of it, especially on the left side there, it's a lot of bad water damage right there. Not so much on the right, but like I said, what I'm going to do is actually gutter. Just the only thing you'll see the next time is the skeleton of the inside of the RV. It's going to take me a while to take it all out, and I don't think I want to make any videos on how to take it out, because each RVs are different, and so I don't think that, it's hard to do a video when you take things out. So, but anyway, I will do that. If I can, I will do some of it as we go along, okay? But that's what the deal is right here in the front. And again, of course, that carpet is going. That orange carpet there. This plus, the dashboard in this area is not in a bad shape. It's dirty, but it's not in a bad shape. I think I can work with it. So that's not too bad. It's automatic. And so, yeah. So this is this. And of course, the cabin are having issues from just being not used, I think. It has about 70, let's see if I can find the number of mileage it has. It's really low. Hold on just a second. You can 78,000 something other. Really low for a 1983. I have seen videos of newer RVs like this, and the numbers been higher. So I was really happy how much the mileage was in here. So anyway, the windows so far, as far as I know, probably leave them unless there's an issue with them. If I can find everything I need to fix them, because they're all gonna come out, and we'll put them back again as they're supposed to be. And like I said, the cabinets, if I can get them out, I hope I can, they all go. The too bulky as far as I'm concerned. I don't need that much area for me, and they're supposed to have been my mom's and my RV for us to travel together, and it's kind of sad that she will not be able to do it. And but I wanted to try to do as much as I can, so in a good day I can bring her and she can see what's going on, you know what I mean? And I think that'll make her happy. So that's the entrance, and I guess, you know, there's a lot of storage. I mean, for this, I think it's got more storage some places in my house. But some of the storage is, it don't make sense. That place, that door there, when you open it up, there's nothing, no shelves, no nothing. I don't even know what the heck it's doing. So for that reason, this is why I want to take everything out and start all over again. Now the kitchen is an L shape, and folks, I don't like L shaped kitchens. I mean, no, in an RV, because it makes the place look so much. Let me go back here a little bit. So much smaller. So now I'll be doing some stuff. I have some old wood that is over 100 years old, and I'm thinking about using that for the counter of the kitchen, and I'm excited about it. And I got two. They're about 10 or 12, or I want to say about 12 inches each. So they'll give me a good size counter, and I mean, way longer than what I need. So I hope I can use it. But anyway, this is the, see, this is the kitchen separation. And we go into the kitchen. And here's the kitchen. Let me turn it around a little bit. Okay. There's a two. They're shallow though. They're two sink. And to me, see, it takes too much room. Look at that. And here's the stove. There's a stove. There's a sink. There's no room really for prepping or anything. So, and also it just takes room, you know, it's a small area here to get through. And yeah, it's fine, but I like to have more open spaces. I like the open spaces more than anything else. So anyway, that's where the microwave used to be. It's no, I'm not replacing the microwave. I probably put in there a conventional oven, and probably have the hood looks fine. A lot of TLC on it, maybe repainted, whatever. We'll see. But the stove is not what I'm keeping. The stove is horrible. It's gas, and I don't like gas. So, you know, or propane or whatever it is that they use. I just had I had an issue with it at one time, and it just scares me, and I'm not going to go, you know, I'm just not going to do it. Anyway, to each his own, right? And here's the kitchen. I'm not sure what that's probably, oh, there's probably all the electricals, whatever. The floors are horrible, as you can tell. You can just sweep it like this, and it just come apart. Look at that. See? It's horrible. So again, it looks like it was a big water leak in there too. At one time or other one. I don't see anything in the roof. I mean, in the ceiling, see? But we'll see once I get it all out where all the problem has been. And the only drawers for the kitchen are those 3 little drawers, plus this thing here, this little door, which really, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Probably not, but it's just not. It don't really matter because you know, it's no room for nothing in there, and I want a pantry, so I'm going to do something to this effect. It's a closet right here, okay? But I'm going to do some kind of closet to make my pantry and have a really well organized pantry, because I do like to cook and I like to bake. The fridge is way too big for me, and it's updated and all that. So I mean updated, but you know, old. So I'm not going to keep it either. I want a smaller one, and so then we give me room for other things. But the thing that I'm really excited about is the bedroom, because I have above the cat, you know, the cat pit area to sleep in, and also the sofa. I don't need a bedroom. And I just happened to see in Pinterest that with this area, let's see if I can get it here. Okay, they made an office. Well, I thought I won't make an office. I made a sewing room, craft room, office combination. And I think that is going to be better for me. A place that I can work and have fun. It has a nice big window. I may or may not change this window. Like I say, I may or may not do a lot of things depending on my budget. I do two things I want that I know the budget's gonna go a little bit out of control. Is that I want a compost toilet and also solar, because you need to get the batteries so high. Okay, this I had this in a house that I had in Midland, in Texas, and it's been with me. It seemed like wherever we moved, it comes with us. So I put it here too because I'm thinking that's probably going to be the sink. It's a little deeper, small sink, but it's deeper. And I may use that one on for my kitchen rather than have two. So again, you know, and like I said, by having all of this opened, you know, all of this open, and have an area to sew and all that, it's going to be so much better for me. And you know, for everything. So anyway, so here is, I'm in the back of the bedroom, and that's the front of it. See how bad the floors is right there? No, I have a great challenge, I'll tell you. Okay, here we go then in the bathroom. That's just paper, some kind of sticky paper in the window, and that'll be gone too. Anyway, yeah. But again, there was some damage, looks like some damage, mold or whatever up there. That's going for sure, see? And I think, if I'm not mistaken, let's see. Yeah, this is so soft. This wood is so soft. I mean, look at it. It's unbelievable. So yeah, it's really bad. Yeah, then it's gonna have to come out. It's just no way. So yeah, and the ceiling too. See, that's a lot of damage in here. Looks like this where some of the leaks were too. The shower. So all of this is gonna be ripped apart. Yes, I do want a little shower, and I don't need the seat. I do need a little area in my bathroom to put my little washing machine that I bought. I love my washing machine, by the way, that I bought for my trailer. My regular washing machine broke, and I'm using that one, and it's awesome. It washes better than my other one. Anyway, and like I said, the toilet is going to be gone, and put a compost toilet there. This is going to be gone. And I'll have a sink, I'll have a toilet, and I'll have a shower. It's just gonna look more open area. So yeah. So I got, this is two closets, and like I said, that's gonna be gone because it's too low, and I need the space for my stuff, but I also need you know, spaces to put my desk and stuff like that. We'll see how it goes. Everything can change in a split of a second in it. So this is it, folks. I hope you get a good look at it, because, yeah, I'm a little nuts. I can tell you that right now. A little crazy. But my husband and I talked about maybe doing this, and bless his heart, he didn't make it either. And so I am determined that I'm going, unless the good Lord has other plans for me, go RVing. And I do have a purpose for it, but I will not reveal that purpose until this is the time to go. Okay? But yes, I do have a purpose for it. And anyway, so I hope you enjoy this video. And until next time, stay well, and God bless you.